Fontana Milan Hot and Cold Bathroom Rainfall Thermostatic Shower Set. Product code FS9591. Retail price $1,431.89. Sale price $1,020.89. This Fontana Milan Hot and Cold Bathroom Rainfall Thermostatic Shower Set, Combo Body Massage Jets, Bath Mixer Hand, Shower Head provides a luxurious showering experience and is the perfect complement to any modern bathroom. The modern design handheld shower and an easy-to-use mixer valve, both made from high-quality solid brass. The Milan Hot Bathroom Rain Thermostatic Shower Set, a modern design of smooth details and sharp edges. The warm, drenching water coverage is the result of a denser water pattern and larger droplets that retain their heat longer to soothe and revitalize. Be sure, when it comes to new bathroom upgrades, FontanaShowers is offering shape, finish, and styles you're looking for. Fontana Milan Hot and Cold Bathroom Rainfall Thermostatic Shower Set features brand name FontanaShowers, model number FS9591. Surface finish chrome, bath and shower faucet type in wall B and S faucets. Number of handles 3 handles. Style contemporary. Valve core material ceramic material. Brass main body. Type bath and shower faucets, hot and cold, yes. Installation type wall mount. Number of massage jets 6 body jets.